The stages of a sales funnel are the different key areas in a client's journey that they're going to pass through. So normally the first stage is the acquisition stage, which that's where your client or customer is discovering your brand. It could be through an advertisement, social media, events, word of mouth, networkers, influencers. They discover your brand and that's the acquisition stage where they're being pushed to something. So like a link, a page, a landing page, sales page, etc. The next stage of a sales funnel is the activation stage. The activation stage it's normally your blog, but it's also just where they're actually signing up for your email list. So normally the blog's main purpose is to do the email capturing, but they can also just be captured on your website or through social media as well. Going down the sales funnel, the next stage of the sales funnel is the retention stage, and the retention stage is normally where you're like, what do we do now that I gave you my email? Normally they'll just consume your content, videos, read your blogs, read your books, listen to your podcasts, take your courses, and all that kind of pushes them to the next stage, which is the revenue stage of the sales funnel, where they're actually paying you for your value. So revenue stage is basically they're giving you money in exchange for value. And then the last stage is the referral stage, where they're getting the desired outcome of what they wanted by interacting with your brand, and they're going out to promote it to others. NPS or Net Promoter Score fits right into there. The referral stage is one of the most important parts of your sales funnel, because that referred customers normally cost you a lot less than looking for new customers. And you might as well turn your existing customers into promoters of your brand. But let's take a deeper dive into each stage. Here we go.